installation set of CDN links in the project. Okay, there are multiple approaches to get started with a React application. There are multiple approaches. Different types of approaches are there to getting started with React application. The first is to use a CDN. CDN, with the help of CDN we can access our React application. That may sound more complicated that it is. A CDN is a content delivery network. CDN is a content delivery network. We can get it from online. How to use a CDN to get started in React? You can inline the script tag in your HTML that points to a CDN URL. To get started in React, you need two files, that is React and React DOM. You have to include two script links of React and React DOM in your index.html file. Then you will get React. Okay, that's not everything. You would have to deal with Babel. You have to use Babel link also to make your application aware of JSX and JavaScript ES6. Means JSX and JavaScript were not interpreted by the browser. So Babel is used to translate your code so that the browser can interpret the JavaScript ES6 and JSX. Okay, let's do the practical. Okay, first of all, create a project folder. Okay, React, name of folder is React. Okay, then make one file, the text file, that is index.html. Okay, then open this index.html in your editor. Okay, here I have used Visual Studio Code. Okay, then HTML, that is HTML5 syntax, that is the syntax of HTML, simple structure, that is here HTML add body HTML. Okay, after this, above the title, here title, sorry, here title is React. Okay, after above that React, here we use CDN links. First of all, go to your browser, then react.js.org. after that, get started. Here CDN links. Here there are two types of CDN links, that is one is for development purpose and one is for production purpose. Okay, these both are same. Okay, but I'll take these two links. Then go to your HTML file, then here you have to paste it. Okay, two links, that is two links are, one is react.js, one is react dom.js. Okay, we have to take two CDN links here. After that, we have to use Babel. Okay, so search here Babel. Okay, and then in the browser, click here in the browser, then here you will get Babel link. Babel is used to translate your JSX and JavaScript ES6 so that your browser can interpret it. Okay, copy, then paste in your HTML file here. Okay, then save. This is the general setup of your React file. Okay, then how to use, we have to use this script type text text slash babel to use the babel so that a browser can interpret the JSX file. Okay, then now in the body part, okay, our setup is successful. After that we have here use div id container. This is the simple structure of HTML. Okay, after that we have to use babel so that I'll add here script type text slash x slash babel. Okay, babel. Okay, after that var destination equal to document dot query selector as container. Okay, semicolon. After that react dom react react do react dom dot render. Okay, react dom dot render, then bracket close, then div. This is the simple structure of react application. Okay, hello guys, this is the first react if, then after div here destination, then okay, this semicolon, that save it. Okay, then load this in the browser. Oh, it won't works. Here comma this comma is comma. Okay, then reload this page once. Yes, here this is displayed here in the browser. Here, hello guys, this is the first application, React application. We see this in our browser. Okay, here this is the basic setup of React